Hi, I'm Daniel McGrew with Epiroc Product Support for the Underground Rock Excavation team. Today in our E1C DH, I'll be showing you how to use the joysticks. This will also apply to any of our other RCS boomers. So here I will show you what the joystick functions do for position and drilling on the E1C. And this will match any of our E1 and our E2 framed machines. So right now you can see that we're in position mode. Our right joystick is going to do our boom functions. So boom up and boom down. And then our swing, just simply the way that you want to take the boom is the way that you move your joystick. If we want to move our feed, we hit the top button and hold it. And then which way we want to move the feed. We want to move the feed down, we simply push it forward. We want to bring the feed back up, bring it back. If we want to angle our feed, it's which way you want to take the bottom of the feed is the way that you move your joystick. That is your right hand joystick. Your left hand joystick does your rollover, and it also does your boom and feed extension. So we can extend the boom out, or boom in, and then this button up here will do our feed. So we can extend out and bring it back. Now that we're up to the face, now we want to switch to drill mode. We simply hit this bottom button, and now it shows that we're in drill mode. We're ready to drill. We turn joystick to the left. It'll activate our rotation and our air. And then when we start to drill, when we're ready to drill, we just simply run it forward until it starts to move. And it'll also, once it reaches the rock face, it'll start impact. To stop your drill function, you hit the back button on the back and your function cease. So in position mode, these buttons, this is what they do. So this button will indicate that we are in position mode, which is also indicated here on the screen. This top button here does your feed extension. This button on the right controller switches from boom function to feed function. And you have to hold that button while you're doing that function. This button down here will switch it from position mode to drill mode, as indicated here. And this will do your rattle in drill mode. To stop drilling function is your top trigger on the front of the joystick. Once you're done drilling, you would hit this button on the left side. Now we were back in position mode. Thank you for watching, and for more information, please contact Epiroc dealer or a service center.